Paul Robeson Malcolm X, we're excited about our move to our new building. We're in the process of making sure our program, we're improving, expanding, and making sure our program will be better going back than it was leaving. The excitement goes from our kindergarten all the way through our 8th grade. Our 8th graders are a little upset because they won't get to graduate from the new building. But one thing about African-centered education, our kids come back. There was nothing about middle school that made me want to come back, but when high school closes or for whatever reason they don't have to attend, our halls are always full of our former middle school students.
My name is Sylvia Latson, and I am a superintendent with Rockford Construction, and our role here is construction manager to rebuild the Paul Robeson Malcolm X Academy. I like to be inspired by the people I'm around and what we do, because it's not a day-to-day type job. It's not a cookie cutter job. So I can come out here on a Monday and then Monday afternoon is something totally different. So I think the trade contractors inspire me, my leadership inspires me, and also the community which we rebuilding inspires me too, of what we're actually going to produce for the area, and also for the state that we're in and the city that we're in. The legacy here is legacy of 40, 50 years. The school was built in 1929, and you have residents who've attended the school, their grandkids attend the school, and actually their kids as well. So they're actually seeing the school when they went there, when their students went there, and now it's being rebuilt. So their legacy is new development, new history here, seeing future kids play here, and future generations of new teachers coming as well here. The design of the school was community-based. The community was involved in the design, as well as the leadership with Detroit Public School Community District, the architects and engineers. Thank you very much for investing into this community. Thank you for not looking down or not looking over us, but taking a pride into our community as well for Martin Park, because you saw the bigger picture.
On time, on task, on a mission to a quality education by any means necessary.